So there is another method to persuade visitors, followers, your subscribers to buy from you even though you're not even famous enough. So this technique is pretty much effective for most newbies, even for most affiliate marketers, and this is how they have been proliferate from it by using this particular technique. So this technique is not pretty much advanced technique or methods. In fact, it is a conventional way where most people have disregarded the power of it. So if you have a situation that a salesperson was talking to you and he was offering a product to you and we say, hey, if you buy from me, I will give you something special. So this particular something special can be a bonus or what. So you actually heard it most of the time through telemarketing to any direct selling from any salesperson. So this is the most marketing salesperson techniques which they have used for selling and gaining commission through direct selling. So same concept to online selling as well. So this is about bringing your visitors or subscribers to a bonus offer page, a page that offer bonus, a scarcity bonus deal for them to buy from you. So scarcity means a limited offer bonus where they have to grab it fast. So this is one of the most effective technique where most affiliate marketers use it to gain affiliate commission. So I would recommend you to use this technique to gain affiliate commissions even though you're not an authority or professional yet, but I hope you still build up your integrity and reputation in affiliate marketing or digital marketing. So right now let's get to the technique on how to offer bonus and gain affiliate commissions. So first of all, you need to do is to email a broadcast promoting a certain product with your body contents writing with the bonus offer. So basically just tell him that, hey, there's a product which is going to launch on a particular date, and if you buy this product you're going to get the bonus offer, and click here to view the bonus. So it's just as simple as that. I want you guys to write it as simple as possible so your subscribers will understand easily. So just basically send to your subscribers, and when they click on the link inside the email where you promote the product with the bonus offer, they will go to a gift offer page or a bonus offer page where it also promotes an affiliate product which is same as the broadcast email. So of course you also need to explain a little bit on the affiliate product, but not too much, just simple details will be more than enough. And it comes with a value added bonus. So value added bonus is simply defined as a over delivered bonus, because most visitors, they like people to over deliver to them. And of course you can put in some scarcity elements over here, which is time. For example, that you offer them a bonus for 7 days starting from today, so they will buy it quickly from you. So of course in this page you're going to ask them to not to clear the cookies or any histories from the browser to prevent the link being deleted from the browser, and give them a buy button over here. So when they click on the buy button, they will go to the sales page and they buy, and that's it. You get the affiliate commissions and the buyers get the bonuses. For me, it is pretty much a win-win situation after all. But you must be wondering that if all of them buy the products from me, how am I going to deliver the bonuses to them individually? I would say that there's no problem at all, because in online marketing or digital marketing, everything is automated where you don't have to do anything. There are platforms where you can deliver bonuses automatically once there is a sales, which I'm going to talk about it in the later lecture. So once you guys have understand the concept of how people getting affiliate commissions in digital marketing, so you get an easier understanding on how to build your own business program in automated mode in the later lecture.